How to review active sessions on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review active sessions from on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite, click these three lines in the top corner, and then click settings here and go down until you find access your not access, this one, activity log, and then go down until you find logged actions and other activity, and now just click active sessions, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.